Hey everyone, Coach Dave here, author of the Amazon bestseller Fit Over 40 Challenge. Today I wanted to shoot this quick video and I want to talk to you about how you can transform your life in 12 weeks and get more done than people do in a year. And this is all based off of this book that I've read called The 12-Week Year. So I'd have to give credit to Brian Moran. Good stuff. And I'm going to talk to you about three things in the book. I'm going to summarize those three things for you. And you can get more done in 12 weeks than in 12 months. Now, most of you probably have done some sort of fitness transformation challenge, maybe. And a lot of times you'll see that it's based off of 12 weeks. And there's a reason behind that. And what I want to do is talk to you about how you can create your own transformation challenge at whatever time you watch this video, okay? Now, I'm shooting it on actually April 1st, so we got a new quarter, so we've got 12 weeks in the year. But if you watch this 3 weeks from now or a year from now and it's at New Year's or whatever, you can start your 12-week year that day, okay? Now, here's the thing. There's three tips, okay? The first part, and this is the crucial part, is you need to redefine the year. Okay, this is the biggest mistake that I used to make, was I would set goals, and let's just say, since we're talking about fitness, I would set fitness goals, and most of them would have a deadline by the end of the year. Okay, so I would say by, December 31st, I want to weigh, a certain amount. I want to lose 10 pounds. Well, here was the problem. I waited until almost the end of the year to really start doing something. So you need to redefine the year. And that's why we talk about 12 weeks. So every 12 weeks, you can have a new year. So you can start your New Year's resolutions, and I hate the word resolutions, but you can do every 12 weeks, you can start a new year, okay? So the first part is redefine the year. The second part is going to be 1 week at a time, okay? Long-term goals don't happen unless you start short-term goals. So if you look at the 12 weeks, break them up into individual weeks. So what is it that you need to do the first week of the 12 weeks? And then the next week, it could be a completely different goal. So you have a second goal, okay? So you can have 12 individual goals in 12 weeks, so 1 week at a time. And then the third tip that comes from Brian Moran's book is accountability. And when he talks about accountability, he talks about making choices and ownership. And that's the biggest key right there, is that you have to take ownership. If you want to transform your life, in 12 weeks, you need to take ownership of each week, okay? So just to recap, the first part is redefine the year. The second is 1 week at a time. And the third is accountability and ownership. Now, there's a lot more in this book, okay? And there's some really good stuff. There's actually some worksheets that you can download. So I suggest you get a copy of it. But ultimately, if you just follow those three things, you can get more done in 12 weeks than most people get done in a year. And you can have yourself a brand new transformation challenge every 12 weeks. So essentially you can have 4 of them. And just think of the transformation you could make by doing that. So I hope this video helps. Now, what I'd like for you to do is in the comments below, share with me what your new 12-week transformation challenge goal is, or just let me know if this is even helpful, okay? And if it is, share it with somebody. Hit the like button and then hit the share button and let somebody else hear that needs to hear it, okay? If you'd like more help with it, you can go to Fit Over 40 Challenge / fitness coach. I'd love to get on a 15-minute call with you and we can talk about your 12-week goals and then, see if I can't help you out. All right? So with that, I'm signing off. In health, this is Coach Dave.